Hi, bankers! What's up? It's time for another episode of What's on That? I got Bank Shirt. The last two series, we learned about assets and equity. This series, we're learning about, drum roll please, stock! Let's learn. Building wealth. Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas. Stock. When you buy common stock, you become a part owner of the company and are known as a stockholder or shareholder. Stockholders can make money in two ways, receiving dividend payments and selling stock that has been appreciated. A dividend is an income distribution by a corporation to its shareholders, usually made by quarterly. Stock appreciation is an increase in the value of stock in the company and has generally based on ability to make money and pay a dividend. However, if the company does not perform as expected, the stock's value may go down.
Let's talk on two terms Zine mentioned. A dividend is an income distribution by a corporation to its shareholders. One hint. A distribution is a hint for division. This is usually paid quarterly. 1 year has 12 months. A quarter of a year is 3 months. So every 3 months, dividends may be paid. In a given year, a person can receive 4 dividend payments. Keep in mind, not all stocks pay dividends. Here's some examples of companies that pay dividends. The Hershey's Company, which Kit Kat is a division of the company.
The ticker symbol of Hershey's Company is HSY.
Keep that in mind if you want to buy the stock. And another company with dividends is Texas Instruments, Inc. They make calculators. You may have some of these in your school.
The ticker symbol for Texas Instruments is TXN.
And another popular company you might know about is a software company called Microsoft. Some of their products are Microsoft Word and Microsoft Teams, two helpful items for school. Now, companies that do not pay dividends are Roblox and Tesla. Unfortunately, they do not pay dividends, but it's still good to have the stock.
Roblox, we play so much on your games. We spend so much money, and you don't give us dividends. Especially Tesla. Rich cars should give us money.
Now, let's talk about appreciation. The I Got Bank Shirt has two key words about appreciation: growth and value. Stock appreciation is an increase in the value of a stock in a company. A company does not perform well, the value may go down. This is a stock's price now, and then when the value goes down, there's a lease price.
No more.
Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram at I Got Bank Save.
And don't forget to hit the like button with your life.